This case highlights the essential evidentiary requirements in labor disputes, particularly how courts distinguish between an employee's claim of illegal dismissal and an employer's defense of abandonment. The procedural history spanned over a decade. While the labor arbiter initially dismissed the complaint, the NLRC later found for Galbinez. The Court of Appeals and ultimately the Supreme Court modified these findings, leading to a final resolution in 2022. The core legal issues presented to the court were twofold. First, did the petitioner sufficiently prove that he was actually dismissed? And second, did the employer successfully prove that the employee abandoned his job? The court emphasized that the burden of proof lies with the employee first. One must establish the fact of dismissal with substantial evidence before the employer is required to prove a valid cause for termination. After more than 14 years of litigation, the court applied the principle of status quo ante. Since reinstatement was no longer viable due to the time lapse in strained relations, separation pay was awarded instead. The adjudicated awards included separation pay, consisting of 1 month's salary for every year of service. The court also affirmed awards for unpaid wage differentials, cost of living allowances, 13th month pay, and attorney's fees. Finally, the court clarified that a sole proprietorship has no separate juridical personality. Therefore, liability for labor claims attaches directly to the registered owner, in this case, Jerry Velasquez. In summary, the fact of dismissal must be proven first. Unresolved dismissal or abandonment claims lead to status quo ante, and sole proprietors bear personal liability for labor claims. These are the sources used for the images in this video. Thank you for watching.